Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to complete HackerRank 10 days of JavaScript challenge. I upload the challenges which I completed day by day in my YouTube channel. First of all, to this has day 0 to day 9. I mean, totally there are 9, totally there is 10 days. In day 0, I mean day 1, there's 2 challenges. I'm going to complete this challenge, Hello World, for the first day. And you can change theme in here, dark to light, whatever you wish. I prefer dark color. Okay, let's move to the challenge. In here I have to make output like this. Okay, there's a function named parameter variable. Inside that there's a output for console.log, and I make this output in the after the hello world. How do I do? They ask me to create a console.log output, and I have to pass a parameter. Okay, inside the function there's a parameter. I copy paste this line. Before the function, I'm getting a parameter name way. My name is as a parameter para, and I put equal. Then I copy paste my line, and I put a semicolon. Now I have to pass this parameter inside to that function, so that I have to rename this as parameter. Okay, then I have to make output for that. Now I have to call console.log, and I am calling my parameter inside that. Now what? Now this is, so I can do return parameter, whatever it is, but it will work. No, it's working. Okay, I completed challenge 1. Now I'm moving to day 0. Okay guys, I completed day 0 hello world challenge. Now I am going to do the second challenge in day 0 data type. Okay, in this challenge I'm given a function name perform operation, and inside that there's 3 parameters, and they also name 3 variable inside that. So what do I have to do? I have to convert second integer to an integer. Okay, I have to convert this one to integer. In here I'm getting a new variable. Wow, new integer equal I'm adding first integer plus. They ask me to convert second integer to an integer. Okay, I have to use pass int to convert a string to integer. Then I have to make console.log for the output, and I'm passing new integer. Okay, integer I completed that. Then I'm copy pasting this line. I'm naming it as, this is for decimal, new deci, this must be pass float. This thing also first decimal, and this must be second decimal. See, okay, I completed my code for the decimal also. Then I'm writing my code for the string. I'm name it as new str. This must be the first string. And we actually no need pass integer for the string thing. Okay, I completed my code for both integer, decimal, and string. I'm running my code. Let's see. Okay, it's working, guys. I'm submitting my code. This is the code for both three things. Always remember, for the integer and decimal, you have to make password. Okay, I submitted my code. Then, guys, hope you tomorrow in day 1 challenges, which is arithmetic operators and functions and let and constant. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.